Let it relax. There you go. So because it's elastic and because it's kind of high on the knee, it'll give you pressure, but you can always overcome the pressure just a little bit by kicking away. So, okay, so in that position, what do you feel?
It's a little bit. It's as much pulling down as on the side.
Yeah.
There's some on the side. It, like I said, what's been funny is I have had a little bit of pain on the outside of my knee today, but not horrific.
Right.
I haven't had any real, like when I would kneel down before into like one of the chairs on the pad, I would feel a lot of pressure through the knee.
Okay.
I don't feel any of that.
Awesome.
It's really just in that one ligament there.
So the same way we did it with the step, little motion, just like that. So that little bit of like kick out and then back, kick out, back. What it does is gets the quadricep working to push away, which reflexively tells the brain to relax the hamstring a little bit. And then when it comes back down, you've got the assistance pulling you into flexion. Take a break.
Just find just a regular, just elastic brace that you can put on your knee. So just to give it just a little bit of support, not tons.
Yeah.
I had my the knee brace on, and I was able to get around okay with just the knee brace. And,
nice.
Without the cane or the walker. And
Yeah.
all, so.
What does that pressure feel like?
It's like I say, it's right there. It's just right there. That's the only place I'm feeling.
One more level lower. So the lower it goes,
the more it's pulling it back.
it's got a longer lever, so it's a little more pressure, but it's a little looser too the lower it is. So each time I move it, it just naturally loosens up a little.